I'm going to show how to adjust the water level in a toilet tank to get the best flush using the least amount of water. This is a full flush toilet that can use around 7 gallons of water per flush. I've used my water meter to test fill valves, flappers, and the float adjustment on fill valves. This toilet used to use about 7 gallons of water per flush, and it now uses 3.9 gallons. The focus of this video is about adjusting the float on a fill valve. Using the correct flapper and fill valve is important. Gallons of water per flush can be wasted if the correct parts are not installed into a toilet. If you're interested in those topics, I'll put links to those videos in the box below this video. It is commonly recommended that the tank water level is set about a ½ inch below the top of the overflow tube. To meet that recommendation, this float is currently set at its maximum height. This toilet uses 5.9 gallons per flush when set to the recommended tank water level. To lower the float level on a Fluidmaster 400 series fill valve, turn the knurled knob counterclockwise. The range of adjustment is 2 inches. This float is in its lowest position. The float is now fully lowered. The water level is 2 inches lower. With the float at the lowest setting, this toilet uses 3.9 gallons of water per flush. The flush performance is good. To raise the float, turn the knob clockwise. Adjust the float and test the flushing power to find the best flush using the least amount of water. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on my channel name to find other helpful toilet repair videos. And thanks for watching.